انسانی معاشرے میں افراد ایک جسم کے مختلف اعضاء کی طرح ہیں. اگر آنکھ سارے جسم کے لیے درد کا باعث بنے تو اسے جسم سے نکال باہر نہیں پھینکتے بلکہ اسے ٹھیک کرنے کی کوشش کرتے ہیں. اسی طرح دکھ اور درد کا باعث بننے والے افراد کو بھی ہم اپنا سمجھ کر ان کی اصلاح کی کوشش کریں تو بہت آسانیاں پیدا ہو سکتی ہیں. طائف کا واقعہ اور ایسے بہت سے واقعات گواہ ہیں کہ اللہ کے آخری نبی حضرت محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم ایسے افراد سے کبھی مایوس نہیں ہوئے اور ہمیشہ بہتری اور اصلاح کی امید رکھی. تو حاضرین اسی تھیم پر ایک خاکہ پیش خدمت
السلام علیکم.
وعلیکم السلام. Back from the game?
Yes, Papa. It was a good game. How have you been?
Fine, had a good rest today. Now it's reading time.
I am really fed up.
Hey, what happened?
It's Usman. He should have played for football practice again.
Yeah, it's becoming a habit now. It's so frustrating having to wait for it every time.
He never even bothers to give a reason for being late. It's like he doesn't even care.
Exactly. It's not fair to the rest of the team who are always on time.
It shows off the whole practice schedule in the coaches and I.
I know we are trying to improve as a team, but it's lack of punctuality holding us back.
It's like he doesn't realize how he is affecting everyone else.
I'm starting to wonder if he even cares about the team anymore.
Yeah, me too. Maybe it's time we do something about it. Coach need to talk about his commitment.
Really?
Who knows, that might be his plan.
So you are saying he might be working with other team?
It must be so.
Ahmed Ali, listen to me.
Yes, Papa. Is there a matter?
I believe there is. I heard you both talking about your friend.
Friend? No, not at all. I wouldn't call him that.
A teammate then?
Yes, and a lousy one in there.
That's not a good way to talk about the people.
Well, Papa, you don't know what he is. He is just weird.
I am quite disappointed with what I have been hearing.
Papa, Usman is acting badly too. We don't like how he is.
What do you mean? He might have some problem?
Papa, he is the problem.
First of all, let's make it clear. No one talks about him in a bad way.
Sorry,
Sorry,
Papa.
Papa.
Now tell me, have you talked to him? Why is he always late?
We didn't. Coach asked, but he makes lame excuses.
I don't think he wants to talk about whatever the reason is.
Quite possible. He might be going through something he doesn't want to talk about. So try to understand him instead of judging.
I guess we can.
After all, he is part of our team.
Yeah, and you are all in it together, through the good and the bad. So try to help him. That's the only way all of you can benefit.
But what can we do? He is not willing to open up his problem.
Respect his decision. No need to pressurize him.
What to do then?
How late is he usually?
About half an hour?
Yeah.
Right. No, have your seat. So what? If all of you talk to the coach to move the practice ahead by half an hour,
Yeah, I suppose we can do so. We might make some adjustment. But yes, it's possible.
I wonder why we didn't think about it. It actually solved the problem.
you didn't think about it because you were not thinking of him as one of you. Whenever we separate ourselves into us and them, problem starts.
Yes, Papa, what you said?
My dear sons, listen to me very carefully. Whenever we separate ourselves into us and them, problem starts.
But Papa, we have to separate ourselves into us and them. You are seeing, we are competing against another team and we are us and they are them.
It is all right to group ourselves into teams for competition, but you should try to understand that we all are human beings and we should see everyone as part of a larger human family.
So, we should think everyone as us. How can we do so?
Well, it's all about building bridges instead of building walls. It's better to talk to each other and try to understand to solve the problems.
It won't be easy, but I believe it's possible.
So, what are you going to do about Usman?
Tomorrow, we will meet him and try to talk about his problem. If he tells us, we will try to help him.
And if he doesn't,
We will talk to the coach to push forward the practice time so that Usman gets there on time.
absolutely, because there is no them, it's only us.
It's only us. There is no them. It's only us.